Sunshine today. We'll be tracking some haze and dust moving in more so tonight and tomorrow. Some of that Saharan dust making another round moving into the valley. So you may see the air quality go down tomorrow. You may want to, not overexert yourself if you're outside. But it will be just about as hot or hotter than today. So you can't catch a break from the heat yet. But here's a live view from South Padre Island from our camera at the Isla Grande. And you see it is sunny, but it is a little bit hazy out there. It's getting a little more haze and reduced visibility looking across. Not tremendously low, but I think you will see the haze increase more so tomorrow. So that air quality taking a dip on Wednesday going into Thursday. Forecast now to be unhealthy for sensitive groups. Probably both those days may even hang close to that category at times over the weekend on Saturday and Sunday. So it may take until sometime next week to really clean the air out more. But I think Wednesday and Thursday could be the worst days for air quality. So kind of just be careful out there. It's not dangerous, but if you do have some heart or lung problems, you probably just want to maybe stay indoors a little bit more the next couple of days. Tomorrow's high is back in the mid to upper 90s most everywhere. Could hit 100 or hotter in Starr County. The wind's a little gusty at times, maybe not quite as gusty today, but still, if you have things blowing around in your yard, trash can, etc., you may see a few things tipped over. And when the winds do gust up to about 30 to 35 miles per hour, mostly in the afternoon hours, and especially in Cameron and Wilsey counties. You see overnight, it was a little breezy for part of last night. May still be kind of breezy late this evening until the winds die off more tonight. But by tomorrow morning, the winds probably at their lightest near sunrise. But notice how, again, tomorrow, those wind speeds up around 20 miles per hour, a little more in some areas in the afternoon, especially along the coast. But then you factor in gusts about 30 to 35 miles per hour. So when you're headed out tomorrow morning, probably going to be dry. If there are a few clouds early in the morning or sunrise, you might see a little bit of mist for a minute or two. But looking for rain chances to be essentially near zero with more and more sunshine returning in the next few days. I think Thursday and Friday with sunnier skies, it will be hotter also. Here we go this afternoon and evening. Heat index still up around 100 or hotter early this evening until the sun goes down. But a little breezy in the overnight hours. And then tomorrow we start off with maybe a few patches of clouds through about 8 or 9 in the morning, but then it gets windy and mostly sunny with highs well into the 90s, wind gusts near 30 to 35 miles per hour. I think it will still be kind of breezy on Thursday, but the winds will decrease more by Friday and for the weekend. So the weekend, for the holiday weekend, 4th of July, does look a little calmer without as much gustiness, but also pretty dry. Our small rain chances start to increase a bit by Sunday and Monday. So there's your weekend forecast. Highs again in the mid to upper 90s. Probably will hit 100 from about McAllen westward in the Starr County this weekend. And the first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast staying hot as we begin July tomorrow. The haze around Wednesday and Thursday with lower air quality and highs in the mid to upper 90s through the weekend. Again, near 100 from about McAllen to the west this weekend. There are small chances of rain returning next week, but we'll have a more in-depth look at that Saharan dust coming your way in about 20 minutes. Stay tuned.